So hello and welcome to today's class. We are doing a series of example in text and exercise questions of chapter chemical kinetics. So in today's class we are solving in text question number 4.3. So first we'll see the given part. So given part in the question is, you are given with the reaction A plus B gives product, okay, and also rate is equal to K into concentration of A power half and B power 2, right? What you need to find? You need to find the order of the reaction. To find order of reaction, right? So we know that the order of reaction, how to find? It is the sum of powers of the concentration term, right? So solution, order is here 1 by 2 plus 2, so this becomes 5 by 2, right? So it's very simple question. So now we'll see in text question number 4.4. So what is given in the question? Given reaction is second order, right? So this is given that the reaction is second order reaction, okay? And what you need to find? You need to find relation between R1 and R2, okay? Now see the solution part. Solution, okay. So the expression is X gives Y, okay. In the question it is mentioned that it is a second order reaction. So for second order reaction, my rate expression becomes rate is equal to K into concentration of X power 2, right? So R1 is equal to K into X power 2, okay. Now they are saying that the concentration of X is increased 3 times, right? So since concentration of X is increased 3 times, right? So the new rate becomes R2 is equal to K into 3 times X and power 2, since order is 2. So this becomes K into 9x power 2, right? So I can write this as R2 is equal to 9 times K x power 2, right? Now this part you can see is R1. So in place of this I can write R1. So 9 times R1 is R2. So this is the relation between R1 and R2. I hope you have understood the explanation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section and I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates on upcoming videos.